In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track visitor analytics on your Wix website. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, and it is where Wix gives you access to the tools you need to review your site performance. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down through that sidebar until you find Analytics and Reports, then select it. This section is where Wix collects and organizes important data about the people visiting your website. It is useful because it helps you understand not just how many visitors you are getting, but also how they are interacting with your content. After you open Analytics and Reports, click either Traffic Overview or Behavior Overview. Both of these areas give you helpful insights, and together they can give you a clearer picture of how your website is performing. Traffic Overview focuses more on visitor activity and overall trends, while Behavior Overview helps you understand what people are doing once they are on your site. From this panel, you can begin reading your metrics. Take your time here and look at the patterns in the data rather than just focusing on a single number. One of the most useful things you can monitor is when your audience is most active. Wix can show you which hours, days, or even months bring in the highest number of users. This is especially helpful if you are planning promotions, publishing new content, or scheduling marketing campaigns. By knowing when your traffic is strongest, you can make better timing decisions and improve your chances of reaching more people. You can also review top clicks. This metric shows exactly which elements on your website get the most interaction. That can include buttons, images, or FAQ tabs. This kind of information helps you see what is attracting attention and what your visitors find most useful or interesting. If certain items are getting more clicks than others, that may tell you what content is working well and what parts of your site deserve more focus. As you continue checking these reports, use the information to guide updates and improve the visitor experience over time. Even a quick review of these analytics can help you make smarter decisions for your website. That covers everything you need to know.